So if you want to create a Strava segment, what you're going to want to do is you first need to go to the Strava website, of course, and you have to do this on the website. You cannot do this on the app, unfortunately. You can go to the website version on your phone, such as Google or Safari. But once you're here, you basically want to go to your profile to see all of your activities. Now, once you've located the activity you want to create a segment, you're basically going to want to click on it so we can go into the details. And you're going to go to this option called segments down here. And once you're here, you can basically see there's this option, these three dots on the left side of the screen, and you can basically click on this. In doing so, there's an option to actually create a segment. It's kind of being blocked by this plus sign to zoom in on the map for some reason, but you click on this and you can see right here we can actually crop it, move the starting points, and it'll basically show you an elevation graph of this entire thing. Now in this case, I want to do the entire thing, or you can do just a singular section. And once you've done that, you simply click on the next option here and you want to name your segment. You actually have the option to make this a public or a private segment. I want to make it public, so I'm going to uncheck that box, and you can click on save. In doing so, it'll basically create a segment for anyone to see on the map, just like so. And you can run it and see all your best times just on this, etc. Like from now on, there's only one just because I just created it, but that's all you need to do. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe down below. And yeah, peace out. This is pretty epic.